Welcome to our video comparing Google Nest Wi-Fi and TP-Link Deco AXE5400. If you're looking to upgrade your home Wi-Fi system, this video is for you. Don't forget to like this video, comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. When it comes to coverage, both Google Nest Wi-Fi and TP-Link Deco AXE5400 offer impressive range. Nest Wi-Fi can blanket your whole home with fast and reliable Wi-Fi, covering up to 2,200 square feet with one router unit and up to 4,400 square feet with additional routers or points. The Deco AXE5400 covers up to 5,500 square feet with true tri-band speed through its mesh network. Both Nest Wi-Fi and Deco AXE5400 offer fast Wi-Fi speeds, but Deco AXE5400 edges out Nest Wi-Fi with its maximum speed of up to 5,400 megabits per second across all three bands, including a brand new 6 GHz band. This is compared to Nest Wi-Fi's max speed of 2,200 megabits per second. However, both devices are capable of handling multiple 4K videos at a time and up to 200 connected devices. While Nest Wi-Fi supports Wi-Fi 5 and has 2x2 MIMO antennas, Deco AXE5400 supports the latest Wi-Fi 6E standard with 4x4 MIMO antennas, allowing more efficient network and higher speeds. Additionally, the Deco AXE5400 offers a brand new 6 GHz band, which eliminates interference from all legacy devices. Both devices offer easy setup through their respective apps. However, TP-Link Deco AXE5400 includes the added bonus of working with Alexa voice commands, allowing you to turn on or off guest Wi-Fi with simple voice commands. Deco AXE5400 also has premium security services through TP-Link Home Shield, which offers network and IoT protection. And there you have it, a comparison of Google Nest Wi-Fi and TP-Link Deco AXE5400. Both devices have their pros and cons, so it ultimately depends on your specific needs. Don't forget to let us know which device you prefer in the comments below, and again, make sure to like and subscribe for more tech reviews.